It is day 8 in the trial against the Massachusetts mother who admitted to killing her 3 children back in 2023. In court again today, Lindsay Clancy's mental well-being front and center as the jury decides if she deserves life in prison. So prosecutors say she knew what she was doing when she killed her children. But Clancy's defense team argues she's not criminally responsible because she was, as they say, over-medicated and experiencing extreme postpartum psychosis. Live now to Shanelle Kaul following this trial since the very beginning. Shanelle, what can you tell us about today's testimonies, friend?
Well, the big part of today's testimony was hearing from someone named Chris Clancy. So this is Patrick Clancy's father, in essence, Lindsay Clancy's former father-in-law. And he was asked by prosecutors, Reed, about the type of mother that Lindsay Clancy was. And here's how he characterized it.
She was very mothering.
And was she protective?
I would say yes, like any mother would be.
So during cross-examination, Reed, Lindsay Clancy's attorney also asked him a pretty similar line of questioning about the type of mother Lindsay was and also what the Clancy family life was like. Here's how he characterized that.
Do you have an opinion as to how Lindsay was as a mother that you could see?
She was very, very good. She fed them great. She did a lot of things with them. They did like the all-American family.
The all-American family, and it's just horrible to think that it ended in tragedy in January of 2023, Reed. We also heard today on the stand from a couple of Lindsay's former co-workers and some of her friends, including one childhood friend, someone who's known her for almost 30 years. And all of them testified that this is someone who they believe was a doting and caring mother and somebody who expressed to them in the weeks and the months before all of this happened that she was struggling with her mental health, that she was struggling with postpartum, and that she was trying to get the care that she believed that she needed. This is a huge part of the defense strategy in this case because ultimately, Reed, as you know, jurors do not have to decide whether or not Lindsay killed her 3 children. The big question they need to answer here is whether or not she's going to be held criminally liable.
Shanelle Kaul, difficult story. Thank you so much for your coverage live from New York.